del futuro del design, come vedete il futuro del design e soprattutto ci sarà un futuro di globalizzazione o un futuro di differenziazione?
So you're the future of design, but in particular, also how do you see the future of design? Do you think that the design is going to be more for masses or more for a singular person that wants one piece show? So pieces in a museum or pieces in everybody's home? Who wants to answer?
I think the world of design has a place for every single market. I mean, it should be really market for the masses, and you will still having like a very specific market for maybe some more